The task was daunting. There were literally probably tens of millions of steps that it took to get the separation done. It gets back to having the right engagement, and that's something that we saw in NTT DATA. Lumileds is a global lighting solution provider, spun off from its parent, Philips, in mid-2017. We had the big task of kicking off the system separation activities shortly after the divestiture. And that's right around the same time that we started engaging business solution providers like NTT DATA to be a part of that. The key criteria around the strategy for the separation was to minimize business disruption, minimize cost, and minimize time. We're talking a global project which encompasses 3 major regions of the world, 47 applications, which includes 3 SAP kernels, 2 of which were for our ERP systems, and then 1 of which was for Treasury. In addition to that, we had a whole number of these new peripheral systems that we had to bring up that related to planning, supply chain, reporting, and a number of new components. In terms of a whole company systems separation, it doesn't get any more difficult than that. We really needed somebody who could meet some of these unique challenges and could be flexible. That was one of the reasons that we selected NTT DATA. It really came down to their ability to connect and build the relationships between our 2 companies. We had 280 people working on the project, 600 people involved in testing, 3,700 test scripts. We had 150 interfaces that are interconnects between these different systems that we were building. We built out a command center in Amsterdam in our headquarters, and we actually ran the cutover for 4 days continuously. When we cut over on Monday, we had all our employees working in the new systems, and it worked. That was the plan. We did it, and it was a major accomplishment. Our experience with NTT DATA has been really great. I could really see from the beginning that they were going to be able to accommodate our special needs, be flexible, and have all the different solutions and components that we needed. And that's ultimately why I made the decision to go with NTT DATA.